St. John Fire Department as a regional grant for all 11 fire districts in Lafourche Parish. And that grant's going to entitle us to interoperability, mobile radios, and portable radios for all fire departments, of course, in this parish. Total grant funding that we've received today is $783,000. That grant came from the Department of Homeland Security and FEMA. Those are going to be used to purchase all new radios and portables for the whole parish. Who everybody is. From the Lafourche Parish Sheriff's Office, we have Chief Major Deal, Bud Deal, St. John Fire Department, Chief Jamie Fontenot, Thibodeau Volunteer Fire Department, Chief Robert Riviere. From the St. John Fire Department, our President, Mr. Randy Benoit. From the Lafourche Fire District, number 3, we have their Fire Chief, Mr. Freddie Guidry. And of course, we have U.S. Senator David Vitter, President. Just to give a little brief as to how we got where we are. Sometime after post-Katrina and pre-Gustav, we realized in this parish that there was an extreme deficit in interoperability communications parish-wide. We have 11 fire districts in this parish, and pretty much all of us work on our own different channels with different frequencies. At that point, we knew we had a communications gap that we had to try to fulfill. At some point, the Office of Emergency Preparedness, under the direction of Chris Boudreau and the Lafourche Parish Fire Chiefs Association, came to St. John and asked for us to host the grant and author the grant to the federal government in order to purchase all new mobile radios and portables for all 11 fire districts in the parish. At that point, we took on that task about 2 years ago. And early on, I really felt like this thing was not going to be able to be accomplished because of the dollar amount we were talking about. We were very fortunate at that time. I made some calls to Senator Vitter's office. We were able to get linked in with his office. They helped put some of the program together, some of the verbiage that I needed to have in the grant. And then about 30 days ago, we finally got the notice from FEMA and the Department of Homeland Security. As you can see, we've been awarded $783,095 for all 11 fire districts in the parish. This is not just a good day for St. John Fire Department. This is an extreme leap for the fire service of the Lafourche Parish.